Okay, I am almost home. Okay, I am home. Okay, I got my gold cola out of the fridge. Finally, I'm home. I like drinking Coca-Cola. There's nothing to watch on here. There's nothing to watch on here. And I ran out. How am I supposed to get $1,000 at the end of at 2 days to pay my bills? Well, at least I still got the power bill and the electricity bill. God, what do I need? Wait, is that the news? And we are live. Good morning, everybody, on this wonderful Thursday. Today we have found a bandit subway. We have claimed there has been kids stuck in there. It sounded like there was 2 in there. And there has been deaths in that's a subway. Alright. Uh, there's like little tape things that says do not cross. And the reward for that will be $100,000. I know that's a lot. We have way too much money. We can't fit no more, so we're just gonna get rid of a lot. All right, now let's talk about the weather. That's how I can pay my bills. All right, I'm gonna go to there right now when it's nighttime. Nobody's gonna be looking. Nobody will be there, and I will go in there and get those kids out, and I'll get the money. Yeah, that's how I can pay my bills. Okay, let's go there right now. Actually, I'm gonna wait until it's nighttime, and then I will go. All right, yeah. Okay, I am here now. Alright, let's go in. So, this is it. Oh, I see a train nearby. Well, let's get this out. And the train's broken. Great. Well, I can just use that. Okay, let's try if this works. Alright, let's see if it still works. And it's still filled with glass. Nice. Okay, let's get the driving. Working, that's just great. Okay, let's go. Ah, yeah. This will be good. Why is there waves? Why is there waves? Why is there waves? Why is there waves here? Well, this could take a while. Well, what the hell is that? What the hell? Why is there robots here? Finally. Now I can finally go to the place.